So here we go again. This is the second part of the task. So this one too, we have the same instruction. You can use preferred scale and dimension. So what do we do? The first thing is to identify the front view, side view, and plan. So where is the front view? If you look at this drawing here, there is no arrow. There is no arrow. But what we are going to take as the front view is the side that has like the highest number of details. So if you look at this side here has little detail. This side here has little detail. This side has little detail. But if you look at this other side, this look like the front on a normal sense, using a normal sense. How can I know? How can a person who has no knowledge know about this? Look at this side. The only thing you can see on this side is just this and this. And then look at every other detail that is here. We have this. Then we have all of this. Normally, for a building, the front of a building carries more detail, even more than the side. So that is the principle we're going to be using here. So the first thing we're going to be doing, still following the first angle projection, we know that what? We're going to be having our front here, front, then side, S, and then the plan, P. So let's sketch it out. Let's sketch the front, side, and plan. So the first thing is the front. Let me label it. Let me change the color of the pen. So let's use blue for the front. So for the front view, this will be the front view, part of the front view. What is the front view? We are asking, what are you going to be seeing if you are looking at the drawing from this front perspective, from this perspective? So you're going to be seeing this side here. That shape will look like this. This is what it will look like. Then the next level you are going to see this, you are not going to see this since you are looking at it from the front perspective. The next thing you're going to see is this and this, which is resting directly on this level. So we are going to be having something like this, and then something like this. It is just a sketch. We are not using an accurate measurement. And then you also see this side here, like this. So we have this, and there are like a few things we have to include, which are hidden details. Things they exist, but you can't see it directly from the front. But we have to show it that there is an hidden detail here. Just like example is this part here. It is hidden. You can see it is hidden, but you have to show it here that it is somehow here with broken line. You remember I said we are going to be in the last video. I said we are going to be representing the hidden details by broken lines. So the next thing here, we also have another hidden detail, which is up here, somewhere here. So we have this too, and this is what the front view will look like, should look like. So the next one we are going to talk about, let me erase this, is the side view. So the side view, let me change the color. So now for the side view, you're going to see this side. Let me draw it, a rectangle, this rectangle here, and you also see this that looks like a square, this side here. On this side, you're going to see it. This is what you should see. This is what you're going to be seeing. And also hidden detail. We know that this level is here. The level is somewhere here. You have to show it with hidden broken lines. And also these hollow circles, this one and this one. So we're going to be having something here like this for this one. And also for this other one, we're going to still have something from this level down. Something like that. This part here is standing for this. Let me connect it together. It is standing for this. Something that exists, but you can't see it directly. but you know it exists. All right, then the next one we are going to be doing is the plan. So let's proceed with drawing the plan. So let's draw the plan. How do we draw the plan? Let me change the color of the pen. All right, so for the plan we are going to be having this, all of this here. You're going to see this. The plan is more like the top view, but we call it the plan. It is just the view from the top. So you're going to be seeing everything here. So in a layman statement, it is like asking you, what are you going to see from the top perspective? Those sides facing up, those are the sides you're going to be seeing. You're going to see this side and this side. So let me start with this one here. So you're going to be having something like this. Something like this. You're going to be having this for this side here, this one, and also we have this attached to it and also this attached to it. So you're going to be having something like this. If you look at this doesn't look straight, so you're going to be having it, you still have to show it. It is looking like something like this, and it is only showing like that from the plan perspective. So we are going to see it like this. So we have something like this. This is not accurate measurement since this is only the sketch. So we have all of this. This is what we are going to be seeing, and then these shapes here we are going to be having something like this, and also the circle here and another one here, and the last one we have it here. So this is what we should have for the plan, the side view and the front view.